Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to play Bingo Blitz on Facebook. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Facebook app. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you're on Facebook, over here you can see the search bar, tap on it. Now type in Bingo Blitz and search for it. You will find the official page of the Bingo Blitz on top. Tap to open the page. Once you're in the official page of Bingo Blitz, here you can see the play game option. Now in order to play Bingo Blitz on Facebook, you can just tap on this play game option. So tap on it. After that, it might redirect you to the Google Chrome. Here you can play Bingo Blitz app. You can even connect your existing Bingo Blitz account. So that's it. That's how you can play Bingo Blitz on Facebook app. You can even sync your Facebook account to your game account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.